So before we go to the charts, what do we have ahead of us this week? And I'm sure you guys know that the month of March is ending today. So tomorrow and Tuesday, we are entering into a new month. And this week, you can see that tomorrow, NZD bank holiday, AUD bank holiday, CHF bank holiday, Euro bank holiday, GBP bank holiday. It is only US bank that will operate. Hence, I am not going to trade tomorrow because the market will still be slow. All right, the market will still be slow, so I'm not going to trade tomorrow. And tomorrow, if you want to trade, this is the fundamentals ISM manufacturing PMI at 2 o'clock. And according to the statistics, it is positive. We are expecting positive. ISM manufacturing prices, that one too, we are expecting positive. I think that's all for tomorrow. That's all for tomorrow. On Tuesday, we have news at 2 p.m. jobs openings, and we are expecting negative. Okay, we are expecting negative. That's all. 4 p.m. FOMIC member speaks. On Wednesday, we have ADP non-farm employment change at 12:15 Ghana time, and we are expecting positive. Sorry. 145 final service PMI, we are expecting neutral. 2 o'clock ISM service PMI, we are expecting positive. 4:10 Fed Chair Powell speaks. So that's on Wednesday. On Thursday, unemployment claims 12:30, and we are expecting negative. FOMIC members speaks at 4 p.m. and 6 p.m. By that time, I will be done already. Friday is NFP. NFP on Friday, and looking at it, average hourly earnings, we are expecting positive. Non-farm employment, we are expecting negative.
Yeah.
Unemployment rate, we are expecting neutral. So overall, we are expecting negative. NFP means gold keeps flying. All right. Yeah. So this is the fundamentals we have for this week. So now let's go back to the chart, and first of all, monthly, because we are entering into a new month. And you can see that last month or this month is crazy. Like, it has been crazy all along. If you look at the candle, note a single wick at the top and at the bottom. Full Marubozu candle, which means that gold is actually like it's flying. Gold is flying. So the possibility for you to look for a sell should be very minimal. And if you are looking for a sell, you have to target some few pips. Okay, you have to target some few pips. So looking at monthly breakouts, current monthly breakout is here. Okay, that is 2068, and now we are at 22. So for the market to come back to 20 is even minimal now. All right, monthly breakouts, for the market to come back to monthly is going to be hard. So let's go to weekly and look at weekly as well. So this is also weekly breakout at 2178. Okay, weekly breakout at 2178 and 2155. So on weekly time frame, we should expect a pullback to that level. Okay, then the market can keep pushing up again. But the question is it going to happen? Will the market pull back, or it will keep flying just as it is going? Let's look at daily time frame. So if you look at daily time frame, this is daily breakout. Here is daily breakout at 2186. That was the consolidation state I spoke about, which got broken. So daily breakout, and then last Thursday, was it Thursday? Yeah, Thursday candle flew. Friday, no trade. So Thursday flew, and here it is now. So according to daily time frame, a zone for a buy zone is still at 2186. If you want a good buy zone, it should be at 2186. Okay. If not, there is no buy according to daily. But let's look at H4. Do we have any zone for H4? And the answer is yes. So this is H4 breakout at 2206. Okay, 2206. But this market is always crazy and mad. You see, there is a wick here, right, at 2222. That was the previous high which got broken last week. The market can still test that high, breakout, respect it and fly. But according to H4, it is just a wick. So if you want to look for a buy, the original buy should be here. Okay, the original buy should be here, 2207 to 2202 levels. So that's where you are supposed to be looking for a good buy. Okay, a good buy at that level, and also at here. Yeah, so these are the two buy zones we have. But when you go to H1, is it going to change? Okay, H1 is still a wick. But if you look at H1, you can also see H1 breakout, right? You can see H1 formed resistance here, and then this candle broke it. So there is a possibility for the market to test this zone and flies. It can happen that way, okay? The market can come all the way here and flies. Aside these zones, don't buy anywhere. To me, do not buy anywhere aside 1, 2, 3 zones. Okay, if you are going to buy from there below, that's good. But for you to buy anywhere aside 1, 2, 3 zones, you will be in a deep shit. Okay, you'll be in a deep shit. And if you look at it very well, you can see that there is no other level. There is no other level for you to buy. Looking at the candle, strong, bullish candle with no retracement or anything. Even if you look here, so you see, this is the level you should be waiting for. Okay, this is the first zone. 2222 is the first zone. If that zone breaks, then you are coming to 2206 level right here. Okay, you buy from here. Over here, you can go aggressive. Okay, if it breaks this level and come here, you can go aggressive here. But if it falls down to this level, you can risk your entire account. So guys, this is all I see on gold. What we need to do is to observe, watch, and see how it's going to end. If you have any question about this, you can talk. Everyone.
This is 30 minutes time frame, sir.
Yeah, this is 30 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, 30 minutes. Guys, any question? Everything is clear, I guess. Okay, any other pair you guys watching?
Euro USD.
Euro USD. All right, let's look at Euro USD. But are you guys wondering what is happening? Because if you look at DXY, before we go to Euro USD, let me take you to DXY and show you something. And this goes to those people who trade with DXY in respect to gold, correlation pairs. Okay, if you look at DXY, let's go to monthly because there is a new month. If you look at DXY, you can see that DXY is bullish, right? So according to law of correlation, if you DXY is buying, gold is supposed to be selling. So why is it that gold and DXY are all buying at the same time? What is happening?
Manipulation.
Manipulation. Okay. Guys, what is happening? Yes, more answers. What is happening? What do you think is happening? Why is it that gold is buying, DXY is buying, all are buying at the same time? What is happening? Any idea?
I think the weakness in dollar.
Come again.
The weakness of dollar.
This is dollar. This is dollar index, and it is strong. Look at monthly time frame. We had nice bullish engulfing, and last month, that was February. Oh, okay, this is even March. This is March candle. You see how it went all the way, but it still got rejected and closed bullish. So USD is strong, gold is strong at the same time. What is happening? And this is the reason why. This is the reason why I don't really make my trading decisions based on DXY. I've stopped doing that. Okay, I've stopped doing that. A lot of people still does it, but I personally have stopped. I only trade what my eyes shows me on gold. If I don't see anything, I don't trade anything. Okay, if I see, I trade. If I don't see, I stay away. And it is simple. It's because a lot of things are actually happening around the world, okay? A lot of things. This is all about sentiment. So those of you who know about sentimental analysis, you know what is actually happening. That's why dollar is strong, gold is strong. So don't make your trading decisions on gold based on dollar. It will mess your life. If you look at the other pairs, you can see that Euro USD, look at Euro USD. You see Euro USD is respecting dollar. It is all dropping. Yes. Euro USD is dropping. Let me show you NZD USD. You see NZD USD is dropping. Which one? GBP USD. GBP USD is also kind of dropping, testing the resistance, and it has respected the resistance. So Euro USD too will drop. AUD USD, where is it? AUD USD. AUD USD, AUD USD. Let me check. AUD USD. Look at AUD USD. You see that one too is dropping. Yeah. So why is it that gold itself, only gold is buying? That should tell you a lot of things are happening on gold. And you know that gold is a safe haven for every country, right? Gold is a safe haven for every country. So whenever anything goes wrong anywhere, people rush to invest their money in gold, okay? They rush to invest their money in gold because they know gold is safe. That's why you are seeing, so a lot of people are buying gold recently. They want to keep more gold for future references. And that's why gold is moving the way it's moving. So now let's go back to the Euro USD. I hope you guys get the concept.
Thanks.
Okay,
yes,
so
yes.
If you look at Euro USD, you can see that this is the monthly resistance, okay? Monthly resistance, which has been respected with a bearish engulfing. And last February candle closed as doji, bearish, but still doji. And last month, that was March candle. You can see March candle went all the way up, has closed as a gravestone doji as well, right? A gravestone doji, which means that the market sells, okay? So Euro USD on a monthly time frame, the next level for Euro USD is down here, 1.056. And eventually, if it goes wild, it can come here. But at this level, now, if you look at this level, you can see that this was the breakout, and this is the first touch. This is the second touch. So a third touch is expected for it to push up again. And the third touch, possibly it can break this level. If it doesn't and it comes again for the fourth touch and it respects, then expect it to the moon. Okay? So now there is a possibility for EURUSD to drop all the way to this zone. As you can see, this candle, let me show you something here. Okay, so you can see that the bearish engulfing closed below this level. This doji candle closed below, and the previous candle also closed below that same level, meaning there is no support. It has broken support. It broke the support, and this candle was a pullback candle, and you see it closed below the support. Right now, the market sells. Okay, so that level is now a resistance. So when the market goes back to those levels, you look for a sell instead of a buy. Okay, so on weekly time frame, on weekly, oh, nice. So if you look at weekly time frame, you can see a nice trend line right here. Okay, a nice, beautiful trend line. First touch, second and third touch. And on the third touch, we have a neckline right here. So according to weekly, expect a breakout from this zone. Okay, expect a breakout. Once this zone is broken, the next zone is down here, like I said. Remember, this is a demand. Weekly demand, and you see it's respected, right? But due to how bearish this momentum this is, and according to monthly time frame, it can easily break. Okay, it can easily break this demand zone and sells down. So watch out. There is a possibility something like this can happen. Okay, a fourth touch on the trend line, something like this can happen. Why am I saying that? Because of this zone. Okay, so because of this zone, it can still push back here, and then it will break it and come all the way, break this one as well, and drop to this side. So if you see the market pushing to this trend line again, remember, I taught you guys on the fourth touch on the trend line is a 50-50 chance. So if you respect the fourth touch, then it means that the zone has now been strong enough, more momentum to break that support. Okay, so if it pulls back here and you get the sell confirmation, you can sell and hold all the way to this bottom. Okay, that is what I see. Let me delete this one as well. All right, so on daily, if you look at daily time frame, if you look at daily, let me use this one. Good. You can see that daily time frame formed a support right there, which has been broken. All right, I'm sure you guys can see that this is a nice support, and it has been broken already by this candle. Okay, at the same time, it's also sitting on this support. So that is the reason why I was saying there can be a pullback, because now we have a support right here. Okay, so expect a breakout. If last Thursday's candle was able to break that level, then you can sell it straight away. But due to the fact that it's respected and even closed bullish, the next candle can still push up a little and drops. But overall, it is still bearish. Okay, overall, it is still bearish. H4. What is happening in H4? Okay, so if you look at H4, you can see H4 break and retest, right? H4 break and retest nicely. H4 breakout, a retest, so expect a sell. Have you guys seen that? Yeah, so it tested this level After breaking that structure right here, the support, now it has pulled back. So expect a drop, okay? Expect a drop to the bottom, at least, yeah, according to H4. And how many pips? The reason why I dislike trading currencies, can you imagine? From that level to here is just 85 pips. I will never trade currency. I will never trade currency, bro. I will never do that. Yeah. So guys, this is all I see about EURUSD, okay? So if you have any other bias, this is personally what I see. So if you also see something different, just trade what you see and not what you think, okay? So you can also see something here nicely, which has also been respected. Yeah, so it's good. It's bearish overall. Hey, but let me draw this thing well. Let me draw this thing well. Let me turn to line chart so that I don't make, oh yeah. So you can see that according to H1, it has broken the trend line. Okay, according to H1, you can see it has broken the trend line and it has even retested. So just watch out for anything, okay? But follow the higher time frames, not the lower time frames. Follow the higher time frame. So according to H4, there was no trend line. Let me check H4 again. Maybe I didn't see. Oh, the trend line is still valid in H4. Trend line is still valid in H4. So H4 has broken the trend line or so. But due to the fact that there's a nice breakout and retest, expect anything. So I will advise you can even stay away from this market and get a clear direction. When you see that daily time frame, H4, H1, they are all aligning in the same direction, then you shoot, okay? That is the best advice I can give you. So guys, that's EURUSD. Any question? Let's see the lower.
Understood.
The lower time frames. Yeah, that's why I showed you H1, or you still want to go lower? No, H1 is okay. 30 minutes, let me take it to 30 minutes. That will be the last. So if you look at 30 minutes, this screen is too small. This screen is too small. I should be using the main PC. Okay, so 30 minutes, 30 minutes. 30 minutes also trying to give you kind of a double top, okay? A double top. So in this case, here will be the neckline. So once this neckline is broken, the market may drop, okay? Once this neckline is broken, the market may drop here, and then eventually it can collapse to the last zones. So watch out for that, okay? What is your view on USDJPY, bro? We have finished with gold. Yeah, we are done with gold. We are done with gold. USDJPY, but I recorded, so maybe I'll drop it. You guys can get the recording session, okay? USDJPY on monthly time frame. On monthly time frame, you can see that. You see the one I was talking about. Look at USDJPY too. Strong bullish. All USD pairs, USD XXX, they are all bullish. XXX USD, they are all bearish, except that shit guy. All right, so USDJPY on monthly, we have monthly resistance, which has been respected previous this month, okay? You can see that, and this is the first touch on the resistance, second touch, and third touch. So, yeah, all-time high. Hey, so I'm wrong. That's all-time high, you said. We have nice zones right there. Okay. So recently, you can see that USDJPY is actually making some kind of highs and lows right from here, okay? Highs and lows, and then after here, it created a high, came for a low, went up, breaking that high a little, it came, pull back, and still went ahead, and now it is testing that resistance right there. So expect a breakout, okay? Expect a breakout or a candle that will confirm that it has respected the level for it to fall down, okay? That's what you should be waiting out for. You need candles to confirm for you that the level has been respected or it has been broken. But if you look at how these candles are, okay, if you look at how these candles are, you can see that the previous level is broken, okay? You can see that this level has been broken, but this has not been broken. Don't forget that. This one is broken, but this isn't broken yet. So buying is risky, selling is risky. But if you look at how it has been moving, there is a potential for it to break. Okay, this is it, first, second, third touch. And when you go to the lower time frames, I'm sure you can also get what's happening to the network. Yeah, you can also get another trend line somewhere here. Okay, yeah. So guys, my advice for you on USDJPY, you can see that USDJPY has broken. Who is that? Kindly mute yourself, okay? Someone's microphone is on and the noise at the background. Kindly mute yourself. Yeah. So you can see that monthly daily time frame, that was the breakout, but there is still a resistance here. Okay. So if it fails to break, the market cannot sell. But due to the fact that this level has been broken, okay, due to this breakout, there can be something like this. Oh, who is that? I told you to mute yourself, but you still didn't. Oh, yeah. Yeah, so something like this can happen, okay? So watch out for this zone to be tested. And if you get any sign of bullish move, you buy. At the same time, you see we have this trend line, which is first touch, second touch. So a third touch on this trend line, you can also buy, okay? A third touch on that trend line, you can also buy USDJPY. So watch out and see how it's going to play out. This thing is not nice. It's not nice. If you look at this, what is this? What is this? So me, I'll put all this thing in a box. Okay.
It's accumulating.
All of it. Come again.
Accumulation. Ready for takeoff. It's
building
up. Yeah.
Liquidity.
Yes.
Like so it's building some kind of momentum for it to push. Yeah.
Yes. So if you want to just for a retest.
Exactly. So wait for this level to be broken. Once it retests, and you see that we have a first touch, second touch, third touch. So once it goes up again, it has potentials to break it. Once you see the breakout, expect a retest, then you can keep buying. If it comes back to this level too, you can still buy. Okay. If it breaks this, comes back here, you see that's nice breakout, and this is the first touch. Okay. After breaking out, this is the first touch to the zone. So a second touch and third touches, you can still buy USDJPY. That is what I see. All this thing, I'm sure saying 50 pips crowd. Oh, this is 71 pips. Yeah. So guys, that is all about USDJPY. Okay. I'm sure you get it clear. That is what I personally see. I didn't see the call earlier. All right. So guys, any other question? If the 1 minute, less than 1 minute for this live to end. So guys, I will end here. The recording session will be uploaded on YouTube. Go and watch if you missed everything. Okay, watch it. And tomorrow we are starting the 1% gang. If you haven't joined, just $100. And then you buy your account. I handle you, make consistent profit on daily basis. So have a nice day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Oh, tomorrow, no.